it was not just about going to the jungle and try to see leopard. It was a bit more. It was more than just seeing leopard. It was about getting to know y'all. It was about getting to know what made it special, and especially about the other species there, especially birds, a lot of birds, and about the vegetation as well. And we went into 3 different blocks, and it's very different from each other, which made it an amazing experience for us. Culinary experience at Leopard Trails was a surprising bit, and especially in Sri Lanka, we have a lot of hotels, guest houses. Of course, you get some really amazing food, and you come here to rough it out, and then you get spoiled with these amazing spreads, the lunch, breakfast, and the 9-course Sri Lankan meal that we had. It was amazing. Like it's like listening to the songs that you like one after the other, especially being in Sri Lankan, right, hit after hit, and it just brings so many memories, and it gives you a very good idea of why as Sri Lankan we are so spoiled here for like tasty food. And obviously and if you're like lucky and if you're here on a good day, you get to try Avi's 4x4 chicken, which was amazing.